Hello, welcome to MUET channel. This is Miss Chia Tuwai. Today I'm going to teach you analysis writing or report writing for MUET 800/4. We are going to part 3 analysis. Okay, here, how to ace report writing in MUET. How? So now we are going to teach you movement trend. Okay, in order to write an analysis, you have to have these 4 tips. 1, you need to have the language input. 2, the formula. 3, the preposition. And lastly, subject reference. So this is the question. Please read. Okay, here you have 2 visuals. Okay, visual 1 is about this number of visitors to 3 eco-marine parks 2016 to 2020. Whereas table 1 shows promotional activities carried out by the eco-marine parks in 2020. So for the first tips, you need to master or acquire the language input. For example, increased, rose, soared, or decreased, dipped, dropped, or remain constant, or remain unchanged. And you also can find out more about this movement trend from your textbooks or reference book. Okay, now tips number 2 is the formula. In order to write an analysis, you need to have the time frame, either in year or week or a quarter, second quarter of the year, and so forth. Key feature, data, and trend. Now I bring you to the first one. First example. When you write an analysis, okay, you need to have TF, KF, data, and trend. So for this movement trend, you need to have 2 time frames, 2016 and 2017. The key feature, we choose the first marine park, Eco Marine Park X. The data 240,000 and 170,000. The trend word that we are going to use is decreased. So some grammar input here. When you write an analysis, if you wanted to focus on the movement trend, you need to have this. From, what is the data, in, what is the year, to the data, and in which year. Here is the example of an analysis. The number of visitors to Eco Marine Park X decreased from 240,000 in 2016 to 170,000 in 2017. So I hope you can do other analysis based on the data or information you have got from figure 1. Next. Okay. Again, you look at the time frame 2019-2020. Key feature, we choose Eco Marine Park. Why? The data 400,000, 500,000. Language input, we need to use increased. Okay, and the grammar aspect is shown here. Now let's go. So here, this is the analysis. The number of visitors to Eco Marine Park Y increased from 40,000 in 2019 to 500,000 in 2020. Next, example number 3. So now we are going to find out how are we going to write this with 3 time frame 2018, 2019, 2020. Same key feature, Eco Marine Park Zag. Data is the same for the 3 years, 360,000. So we use the language input. We are using level out at and then the grammar. So here you are, the number of visitors to Eco Marine Park Zag leveled out at 360,000 from 2018 to 2020. Okay. So when you write an analysis, be sure you should have the correct preposition. For example, in 2016, okay, the number of visitors to Eco Marine Park, preposition to. Lastly, tips number 4, using correct subject reference. Okay, the number of visitors to Eco Marine Park Y was the highest at how many? Another example is Eco Marine Park Y had or recorded the most number of visitors at. Or you may say the number of visitors was the highest at Eco Marine Park in which year? Okay, that's all. Stay tuned with MUET channel. I'm going to teach you other aspects, other parts for an analysis writing. Okay, thanks. Do subscribe, like, and share. This is my channel with me, Miss Chia Chuwai.